and I'm now joined by the man who was responsible for orchestrating this wonderful tournament, which was held here today in the Hall's ground in Matafeni. The man responsible for ensuring that the Junior Championships Under 14 Bombela edition is well campaigned, and is well managed. Coach Limo Cyril, coach ngiyakubingelela coach. Umsebenzi lomuhle na kangaka coach, siubonile umsebenzi uqhubeka namuhla coach. What's your take? Sibonge kakhulu.
Bombela Fanatics, thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much, guys, for the work that you guys are doing. Ngithandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu abusise le platform. This is beautiful. The fact that you guys are following, noma ngabe kuphi, you are there every corner. Ngokunibona tu kuma venue like 3, 4, ngelanga leli 1, and I must say ukuthi ngiyabonga kulo. To come back to that, my brother, it's been a not an easy. It's not been an easy journey. It's not been an easy journey because even today, we figure like running is figures to the Zala Statsama game. It was a hassle. But yeah, small on my team pitch up. The tournament was successful. It's calling 8 teams that are going to play for the 2 spots, Guma Provincial Champ of Champs. And yeah, it's exciting, my brother. It's exciting to see so many kids here. So I think in total we had 24 teams.
Yes, coach.
24 teams in total. It's about it's roughly. It's too much, man. That's 200 and something. Yeah, more than 200 kids.
Yeah.
And so yeah, it was beautiful to see. And yeah, I'm very proud, man. I'm short of words. Very proud.
Coach, how different was it from your normal routine, coach? Because most of the time you usually say wasn't a coach, but now when you come into the coordinating world, perhaps one might compare to an administration coach. Coach, walk me through that hustle, coach. Coach, and how much of a great learning curve, or perhaps how much was one able to maneuver to his task?
I think for the love of the game, my brother, if you know me well, I really love football and I'm very passionate, especially with football. So being part of this and being the one who heads up the edition Yangala Bombela has been very, very, very exciting. I have learned a lot because so much happened. But to push through, and the fact that these coaches are very supportive, man. Credit to them. I was not gonna do this me one. Credit to the coaches for showing up. Credit to the coaches for being there. Because yeah, it was tough, man. It was tough. I'm not gonna lie. I've been coordinating Tindo. I have my own tournament sometimes, but never have I pulled up Indo 24 teams. It was too much. I think this week alone, receive I'd say more than 400 or 300 calls. And exaggerated, but honestly speaking, today Exeni. It was too much, my brother. But like I said, for the love of the game, it's your fella con. I'm very proud of myself and I'm very proud of all the coaches that supported.
Coach Cyril Limo, sibonga kakhulu coach. Kuqhubekela phambili coach. Ngiyephi coach last ngabukela khona ukuthi ma Junior Championships Under 14 tournament Bombela edition atoba take a place to knockout rounds coach.
Asinika any credit Mtukobela. Mtukobela, the director of Mpumalanga Junior Champs. That guy is a pioneer of something great, and he started something very beautiful. And sibe responsible for you. So I'm getting credit for this amazing initiative like Talile. And me, I want to vow to him. From now on, I will be there. And Mpumalanga Junior Champs is still going to great heights. Mpumalanga is not a jungle. So much talent here. So many coaches, so many players, so many administrators. Hats off, man, to everyone who's been involved. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. But looking forward to the champ of champs for next year, 2026.
Yes, coach. Coach Limo, kulama team la progressile coach kuqhubekela phambili. Nguphi la singasho ukuthi sidaba sibabukela khona kuma knockout stages. Information in regards to that.
The last 8 will be played on the 29th of November. Last 8, we're still deciding. We're looking for a good venue, proper venue, because we have also a Super Sport Schools that's going to be coming to stream our games. So Sibuge between Ganyamazan Stadium, Megaponi Stadium, and hopefully if we Mbombela Stadium, it will say right by that time. The outside field, the B fields, Nakona is also an option. So 29th of November, we're doing the last 8. bese the last 2 kule last 8 will go and represent Mbombela kuma Champ of Champs eWheatbank next year in 2026, my brother.
Fanatics cela nisilekelele la namadoda still kusakumele kukhethwe kahle ukuthi kiwa kaBhokweni or kiwa kiwa kaNyamazane. Drop your thoughts to the comment section lapho ke ngincede mina, you know very well. In the comment section drop your thoughts ukuthi sithi kaNyamazane or sithi kaBhokweni. I will inform coach ngala coach Limo ukuthi coordinator hayi ama-fans ngathi agcwele ngapha ama-fanatic athi siya kuphi yabo.
Ngibonge kakhulu futhi, ngibonge kakhulu. Thank you so much. I think noma ngakula siyakhona, I'm sure ukuthi i-event itoba yihle. But my fans, njengoba shilo my brother Limpoye, it's up to you. It's up to you. Thank you my brother.
Sibonge kakhulu nako mfethu.